so we're going to jump right into it. So this is a 12-inch silky straight bob lace frontal wig. Now this wig is supposed to be beginner friendly. It's supposed to be ready to go, super realistic look, and it is supposed to have a skin melt invisible look. So we're going to get into it. So as you can see, this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline. The hairline actually looks pretty nice given that this is a bob lace frontal wig. And I will say right off the rip that MyFirstWig has definitely improved their pre-plucked wigs, especially with this wig right here. So as you can see, I'm cutting off the lace and it's blending right into my skin. And so this is what the wig is looking like before I secure it down. And I can already tell it's going to be a vibe, and I love how the lace blends into my skin. So here is another close-up clip of the pre-plucked hairline, and next I'm going to go in and part the wig as well as press out the hairline just to make sure I'm working with the pre-plucked wig, that I do not have to go in and pluck. And right here I'm trying to figure out what type of style I want to do with this look. Okay, I can't find out if this is like a 13x4 or 13x5 lace frontal wig, but I think it's a little different than that, because with this wig you get very limited parting space. You get about 5 inches of parting space. However, it's not ear to ear like your normal lace frontal wig. It's probably about 4 inches of lace in the front, and then you get like 2 inches of lace on the side. So I'll make sure I put in this video what type of lace frontal wig this is. But I do love that this wig is completely pre-plucked all around the perimeter of the wig, and the parting space, like I said, is pretty nice. It's 5 inches of parting space, so I can't complain about that. And here is a close-up of the hairline on the side. So it's plucked pretty nice, and like I said, the lace is also nice. Now, according to MyFirstWig, this is supposed to be like an invisible skin-like type of lace, and it's definitely giving me invisible lace. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to part out my baby hairs, and then I am going to do just a little bit of plucking right where my middle part is, because I do want that to look a little bit more thin. And you know, that's all I'm going to do to this wig. So I'm going to cut the baby hairs, and then I am going to use a flat iron to curl the baby hairs. I've been seeing people do this a lot with their baby hairs, and I just want to try it, girl, and see how it turns out. Okay, so my other side of baby hairs was playing with me, but look at this, y'all. Ooh, do y'all see how nicely that blended into the hairline? Okay, girl, I am from now on going to be using a flat iron to curl my baby hairs because, girl, this is cute, honey. And here, y'all already know what I like to do. I like to go in and add some concealer to the part and on the lace just to give a even more natural, blended, invisible look. I don't use a whole lot, just a little bit, just to mimic a scalp look. So far, I will definitely say this wig is beginner friendly. I will definitely say that this is an invisible lace, and I am here for it. So I'm going to go in and add some heat to this hair and just flat iron it. Now this wig did come colored like this, so definitely make sure you check out that description bar because it will have the exact details on the color of this wig. Now the density on this wig is 130%. This is a 12-inch wig, and honestly I feel like this is like 150. I don't think this is 130% density because it is so full even before I flat iron the hair, but nevertheless though, I still love it. Okay, y'all, and so this is the final look. As you can see, it turned out to be a real cute wig, and the lace on this wig is super duper nice. I must say, my first wig has definitely stepped it up with the last couple of videos I've done with them, especially when it comes to the pre-plucked lace. Like, they are definitely getting it right now. So yeah, I'll make sure I have all the details on this wig below, as you guys already know. Look at that body in this wig. Yes. Cute. And look at this lace and this hairline. Definitely a beginner friendly wig. So if you are looking for a bob that is pretty much beginner friendly and ready to install, girl, check out My First Wigs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.